Welcome viewers. In this video, I'm going to tell you what is the difference between belonging and belongings and how to use these words correctly in sentences. So let's begin. So here you see belonging without S and its meaning. It refers to a feeling of being associated with a group or place. It's an uncountable noun. Sentence: when I'm with my group, it gives me a sense of belonging. It means you belong to your group. You are a member of a group and you always feel connected. So it gives you a sense of belonging. So always remember, it refers to a feeling of being associated. Okay? You feel associated when you are with your group. So always remember, it refers to a feeling of being associated. Now another word is belongings with S. What is the meaning? The things and materials that a person owns. It's a plural noun and in sentence you can use it. I took my belongings and went out. Always remember, your belongings, it could be your mobile, your bag, and your glasses. And they are always movable, that can be taken from one place to another. So always remember, belongings, it refers to things and materials. Belongings with S. I took my belongings and went out. So always remember, belongings, the things which you own. Now here you can see some sentences of belonging and belongings. How to use them correctly. Number 1, people don't have much sense of belonging. Number 2, I have a deep feeling of national belonging. So now you can understand how to use it correctly in a sentence. The word belonging. Now another word, belongings. Take your belongings and leave. Means take your material, whatever you own, and leave. Your bag, whatever, which are movable. The things which are movable, those are your belongings. Never forget to collect your belongings. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching.